Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Chipotle vinaigrette dressing, updated. Start by combining chipotle and adobo, fresh lime juice, garlic, honey, and olive oil in a blender. Add salt and pepper to taste while blending until emulsified and silky. Taste and adjust sweetness or acidity with more honey or lime. Chill for at least 30 minutes to meld flavors. Then drizzle over salads or use. Gather your ingredients and measure everything before starting to make mixing painless. Place chipotle peppers, lime juice, honey, garlic, Dijon mustard, and a pinch of salt into your blender or food processor. With the motor running, slowly drizzle in olive oil to create a thick, creamy emulsion. Taste, then adjust salt or honey for balance. Store in a sealed jar in the fridge and shake before using. Prep is quick and forgiving, so don't worry about exact timing. Blend chipotle, lime, garlic, honey, and Dijon first, then slowly pour in olive oil until the vinaigrette thickens and glosses. Taste and tweak with more lime for brightness or honey for sweetness if needed. Transfer to a jar, refrigerate for 30 minutes to let flavors marry, and shake well before serving to recombine any separation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.